Valentine's Day is more than just a celebration of love, it's a chance to express your creativity and fill your home with charm and warmth. Crafting DIY Valentine decorations not only adds a personal touch but also creates a space that feels uniquely yours. From delicate handmade wreaths to enchanting lighting that sets the mood, these ideas allow you to turn any corner of your home into a loving haven. Whether you're spending the day with a partner, family, or friends, these creative projects will make your surroundings feel special, thoughtful, and full of heart. Your front door sets the stage for what lies beyond, making a romantic wreath or door decoration the perfect starting point for your Valentine's Day decor. A handmade wreath is not only a welcoming sight, but also a creative way to showcase your love and personality. Start with a simple base. Grapevine wreaths are perfect for a rustic look, while foam or wire frames give you endless possibilities for design. Wrap the base with ribbons in shades of pink, red, and white, or use fabric scraps for a shabby chic feel. Add embellishments such as faux roses, glittery hearts, or small wooden letters spelling out love or Azoxo. For a unique twist, try making a heart-shaped wreath. Wire can be bent into the desired shape, and you can wrap it with fairy lights, tulle, or a mix of dried and silk flowers. This not only makes a striking statement but also provides a soft, romantic glow. Another idea is a pom-pom wreath. Create fluffy pom-poms in varying sizes and attach them to your base for a playful, whimsical look. Enhance the entrance further by adding matching garlands around the doorframe. Paper hearts, burlap bows, or even miniature envelopes containing sweet notes can add a personal touch. Hang a wooden sign with a heartfelt message, and place potted plants adorned with heart-shaped stakes or fairy lights on either side of the door. For those who enjoy seasonal updates, consider swapping traditional Valentine colors for something unexpected, like blush pink paired with metallic gold. This color combination creates a modern and elegant vibe, perfect for welcoming loved ones into your home. If these DIY Valentine decoration ideas sparked your creativity, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love spreading love with handmade decor. The dining table often becomes the heart of Valentine's Day festivities, whether it's a romantic dinner, a family gathering, or a cozy breakfast. A beautiful DIY centerpiece not only sets the mood but also serves as a conversation starter. Begin with a base that complements your table setting. A long wooden tray or mirrored runner can serve as the foundation for your arrangement. Fill it with candles of varying heights, surrounded by artificial rose petals, sprigs of greenery, or small crystal accents. To add dimension, include decorative elements like glass jars filled with colorful candies or mason jars wrapped in lace and twine. For a more unique centerpiece, create a tiered display using a cupcake stand. Adorn each level with mini floral arrangements, small trinkets, or heart-shaped ornaments. You can also add fairy lights or tiny string lights for an enchanting glow. Personalized touches make all the difference. Use photo frames displaying cherished memories as part of the centerpiece, or craft paper flowers with handwritten love notes on the petals. A centerpiece that incorporates keepsakes, like a collection of your favorite books tied together with a satin ribbon, can add a deeply personal element to the table. Don't forget the finishing details. Place individual heart-shaped placeholders or handwritten cards at each setting to make everyone feel special. Add napkins folded into heart shapes and small gift boxes filled with chocolates or tiny trinkets. These thoughtful additions transform the table into an experience, not just a setting. Which DIY Valentine's decoration was your favorite? Let me know in the comments and share your own ideas. I'd love to hear how you're celebrating love this season. Empty walls are like blank canvases waiting for your creative touch. Transform them into showcases of love with DIY Valentine-inspired wall art and hanging displays. Garlands are a simple yet striking option. Create strings of paper hearts in varying sizes and colors, then hang them horizontally across a wall or drape them over windows. Felt or fabric garlands add texture and can be reused for years. For a more playful touch, include other shapes like arrows, cupids, or stars. Consider making a Valentine's Day photo collage. Use a large heart-shaped cutout as the base, then fill it with photos of loved ones, special moments, and happy memories. Frame it or hang it as a standalone piece of art. If you prefer a minimalist approach, create a gallery wall with framed quotes about love, simple line art, or abstract prints in soft hues. Hanging displays can add a whimsical element to your decor. Origami hearts or paper lanterns suspended from the ceiling create a floating effect, ideal for cozy spaces or intimate dinner setups. Use fishing wire for an invisible look, and mix in fairy lights for added charm. For an interactive decoration, set up a wall of love. Hang envelopes, small boxes, or pockets on a large board or string. Fill them with notes, affirmations, or small gifts, and invite family members to open one each day leading up to Valentine's Day. This not only decorates the space, but also adds an element of surprise and joy. For more DIY inspiration and seasonal decor ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a creative project. Lighting is key to creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. DIY lighting projects are not only fun to make, but also add a magical touch to your Valentine's Day setting. Mason jar lanterns are a classic choice. Paint the jars in pastel hues or frost them with translucent spray paint. Add heart-shaped cutouts or glitter, and place LED tea lights or battery-operated candles inside. For an extra decorative touch, wrap the jars with twine, lace, or ribbon. Fairy lights can be shaped into words like love, forever, or us using wire frames. Hang them on the wall or place them along a mantle for a charming glow. Another idea is to use wine bottles or glass vases filled with string lights for a simple yet elegant centerpiece or accent piece. Don't forget the small details. Handmade coasters with heart patterns, embroidered napkins, or tiny bouquets tied with satin ribbons can elevate the overall ambience. Scatter small trinkets like ceramic hearts, tiny figurines, or mini chalkboards with love notes throughout the space for delightful surprises. Create a cozy corner with plush pillows, a soft throw blanket, and a string of lights above. Add a tray with hot cocoa or tea, and you've crafted the perfect spot for relaxing and enjoying the day. These intimate details make Valentine's Day not just beautiful, but also deeply meaningful. Looking for even more Valentine's Day inspiration? Check out our holiday DIY playlist for crafts, decor, and everything you need to celebrate in style. As you dive into these DIY Valentine decoration projects, remember that each detail is an opportunity to create something truly unique and special. The beauty of handmade decor lies not just in its appearance, but in the thought and care it represents. Every ribbon tied, every light strung, and every flower placed tells a story of love and creativity. These personal touches turn your home into a warm and inviting space where memories are made. They reflect the joy of togetherness and the magic of celebrating love in its many forms. Beyond their visual appeal, these decorations have the power to make moments feel extraordinary. The soft glow of your lights, the carefully crafted accents, and the thoughtful designs come together to create an environment where love takes center stage. These elements remind us that it's the little things, a handwritten note, a handmade wreath, a cozy corner, that often mean the most. Want to craft these Valentine's decorations yourself? Check the description for links to the supplies and materials featured in today's video. As you enjoy the fruits of your creativity, take a moment to appreciate the happiness and comfort you've brought to your home and the people you cherish. Each piece is more than just decoration, it's a symbol of care, connection, and the joy of giving from the heart. So whether you're surrounded by loved ones or enjoying the peaceful beauty of your space, let your decorations remind you of the love that inspired them. In their glow, may you find warmth, joy, and the simple, enduring happiness of Valentine's Day. As the glow of your Valentine decorations fills the room, let it be a gentle reminder of the warmth and love that inspired your creative journey. Each piece you've crafted carries a part of your heart, adding layers of sentiment to your space. The delicate details reflect not only your artistic flair, but also the joy of sharing these moments with those you cherish. Let your home be a canvas of affection, where every corner tells a story of thoughtfulness and care. These decorations are more than adornments, they're tokens of love that brighten the spirit of the day. In their beauty, may you find a sense of accomplishment and the pure joy of heartfelt expression.